Hello Bobby, good morning. My name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2010 Honda VT1300, 3,485 kilometers, and the price is $97,888. This motorcycle is fully safety certified and ready for the season. Have an extra two features: aftermarket mirrors and the levers and the handle. So this motorcycle is available at this time, very clean, still very low kilometers. Front tire new and the rear brand new tires. Transmission is a shaft transmission, AC for maintenance, and bike is in our showroom. If you have some time, please come to see us, or if you're better off, I can secure this motorcycle for you. You could call me. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.